In our guide, we cover the basics of cat care, tackling common issues from welcoming a new cat to managing scratching and aggression to litter box training. We also cover grooming, recognizing disease, dental care, and keeping your cat happy and safe. This resource is designed to strengthen the bond between cats and their owners, focusing on well-being and a fulfilling life together. You will see tips for a healthier, happier cat. 10. How to make my cat happy. To further emphasize the significance of ensuring your cat's happiness, it is crucial to understand their perspective by delving deeper into their world. A cat's happiness is a combination of affection, environmental enrichment, and mental stimulation. Playing with your cat regularly is not only a form of physical exercise, but also a means of bonding with them and stimulating their natural hunting instincts. Use a variety of toys that imitate prey, such as feather wands, laser pointers, and interactive toys that move unpredictably. This variety keeps playtime exciting and engages different aspects of your cat's hunting skills. It is crucial to provide a variety of toys for your cat, but it is also important to rotate them to maintain their interest. Cats can become bored with the same toys quickly, so regularly swapping them out can keep things fresh and engaging. Additionally, consider puzzle feeders or toys that require your cat to think and work to get treats or meals. These can satisfy their instincts to hunt and forage, providing both mental and physical stimulation. Creating a space exclusively for your cat is vital for their happiness. This can be a cozy bed in a quiet corner, a cat tree for observing their surroundings from a high vantage point, or even a dedicated room if space allows. Cats value their privacy, and having a safe, secure place where they can retreat when they need solitude is crucial for their well-being. 9. How to prevent my cat from getting lost. To prioritize your cat's safety, consider microchipping them and always using a collar with an ID tag. Keeping your cat indoors or supervised when outside can significantly reduce the risk of them wandering off. 8. How to take care of my cat's teeth. Dental health is of utmost importance. It is recommended to establish a dental care routine early on using toothpaste and a brush specifically designed for cats. Regular dental checkups with your veterinarian can help prevent diseases and maintain healthy teeth. 7. How to tell if my cat is sick. Cats are skilled at hiding discomfort and illness due to their instinctive nature to conceal vulnerability, which is deeply ingrained from their wild ancestors. This can make it challenging for pet owners to detect signs of health issues. Therefore, it is imperative to be vigilant and observant of any subtle changes in your cat's daily routines and behaviors. Here are some insights into what you should watch for and how to respond. Changes in appetite. A decrease or increase in appetite can be one of the first signs that your cat is not feeling well. Cats that suddenly show disinterest in their food or conversely, an unusual increase in hunger should be closely monitored. Both can indicate a range of health issues, from dental problems to diabetes. Litter box habits. Changes in litter box usage can signal several health concerns. For instance, if your cat is using the litter box more frequently, straining to urinate, or showing any signs of blood in the urine, it could indicate a urinary tract infection or kidney issues. Conversely, if your cat is experiencing constipation or using the litter box less frequently, it might suggest digestive problems. Activity level. A significant decrease in energy or reluctance to engage in play can indicate pain or discomfort. For example, arthritis may cause a cat to be less inclined to jump or climb. Conversely, an increase in restlessness or hyperactivity can also be indicative of health issues. Behavioral changes. Changes in behavior, such as increased hiding, aggression when being touched, or a lack of grooming, can be your cat's way of telling you that they are in pain or distress. Cats are creatures of habit, and any deviation from their normal behavior warrants attention. 6. How to bathe my cat. Not all cats like water, but some do. If you need to bathe your cat, make sure the water is lukewarm and use a shampoo specifically designed for cats. To calm your cat, talk to it in a soothing tone of voice. Remember, patience is very important. 5. How to groom my cat. Regular grooming helps maintain your cat's coat health, reduces hairballs, and can strengthen the bond between you and your pet. It's important to use the appropriate brush for your cat's coat type and introduce grooming gradually to ensure a positive experience for both of you. 4. How to deal with cat aggression. Understanding the root cause of aggression is crucial. It is important to determine whether it stems from fear, pain, or territorial behavior. To address the issue, provide a safe environment and avoid punishment. If necessary, consider consulting a veterinarian or animal behaviorist for personalized advice. 3. How to litter train a cat. Training a cat to use the litter box is typically a straightforward process since their natural instincts drive them to cover their waste. However, creating an encouraging environment and practicing patience are key components to ensuring a smooth training process. Here's a more detailed approach to litter training your cat. Choosing the right litter box. Begin by selecting an appropriate litter box that is large enough for your cat to turn around comfortably. Some cats prefer open boxes for easy access, while others prefer the privacy of a covered box. It may be necessary to experiment with different types of boxes to determine your cat's preference. Additionally, the type of litter you use can significantly impact your cat's willingness to use the box. Many cats prefer unscented, fine-grained litter as it is softer on their paws and more similar to the natural sand or soil they would use outdoors. As with the litter box, it may be necessary to experiment with different types until you find the one that your cat prefers. 2. How to stop my cat from scratching furniture. Scratching is a natural behavior for cats. To redirect this behavior, provide scratching posts or pads and encourage their use with catnip or toys. Praise your cat when they use the post instead of the furniture. 1. How to introduce a new cat to my home. Introducing a new cat to your home requires patience and careful planning. It is important to keep them in a separate room initially, allowing them to adjust. Gradually introduce them to other pets and family members, supervising interactions to ensure a smooth transition. This video explores important aspects of caring for adult cats, with the goal of promoting a happy and healthy life for your feline companion. It covers topics ranging from understanding your cat's happiness to identifying signs of illness. The video emphasizes that a contented cat results from affection, environmental enrichment, and mental stimulation. Engaging play sessions that simulate hunting are crucial. Rotate toys to maintain their interest and consider puzzle feeders to challenge your cat's mind. To ensure your cat's well-being, it's important to provide them with a dedicated space to retreat to and pay attention to their body language to understand their needs. The video also covers how to prevent your cat from getting lost, maintain their dental health, and recognize signs of illness. Early detection and addressing subtle changes in behavior or routine are crucial. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for preventive care. Other topics covered in this guide include bathing and grooming your cat, managing aggression, litter box training, and preventing furniture scratching. The main message is to comprehend your cat's natural behaviors and provide them with suitable outlets. By following these tips and appreciating your cat's unique personality, you can establish a strong bond and enjoy a fulfilling life together.